math tools and everything, basically, can be found in the magic box. I think that's why they called it the magic box, because it's very magical. There's lots of resources in there. So in the magic box and the toolbar, you can go ahead and access it through the tools. Okay. The first tool I'm going to go over is the ruler tool. This is a fun way to practice measurement, engage your students. There's also a protractor, compass, and set square, but that's a little bit beyond third grade for me. But for all of you upper grade teachers and any other math fanatics out there, you've got all of those awesome tools to use, but we're just going to talk about the ruler. So I'm going to go ahead and show you more about the ruler tool. All right, so the ruler tool, again, can be found in the magic box. I love how the ruler is customizable, like a lot of things in myViewBoard now. So you can go ahead and click on the settings bar. You can make the numbers bigger and smaller. The ruler can be bigger and smaller, as well as changing what type of measurement you want to use on the top and the bottom of the ruler. So when you have it to how you want, you can rotate the sides, which if you need to measure some angles or something like that. And then here's just an example of how you could measure a rectangle on the side. So we've got 3 on that side. I love that it's transparent, so you can accurately measure. Just, again, some ways I would use the ruler tool would be to measure area and perimeter of rectangles, also to just practice measuring in general. So teaching students how to accurately measure. I think this is a really fun way to do that. Another tool is the clock tool, which is also found in the magic box. So if you scroll to the clock, you got it there. You can also adjust the size, which is pretty cool. And then some features here, you can change it to a random time. So if you wanted a student to go up and practice telling what time it is on the analog clock, you can also take away the numbers and it'll set back to the real time whenever you want. So if you just wanted an analog clock for fun on your viewboard, then you can just have the clock tool there, or you could use it to teach students about the analog clock.